Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job, PhD, work from home jobs and the school teacher as well as the assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Share, like and comment my videos. And in this video, we are going to see the state eligibility test notification, that is ACT 2022. And this state eligibility test is for the assistant professor. So even though this notification released from one of the state, but you may apply from any state all over the India, guys. Okay. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. To the present content of the video. So it is the University of Jammu, the state eligibility test for assistant professor for UT of Jammu and Kashmir, that is JKSCT, and the UT of Ladakh, that is LASCT. And here the information bulletin is released by this University of Jammu, so which is having the total 16 pages are there. And I will show you the most important details, and I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So examination is going to be conducted on Sunday 15th May 2022 by the University of Jammu. And here the contact details are also provided here. So email is provided as well as official website is also there. So if you are having any queries regarding this one, then you may email to this mail ID, guys. Okay. And here the tabular format or the index is given here. First we will say the important dates. Online registration starts and closes on 20th December 2021. It starts and closes on 20th Jan 2022. Okay. So the submission of fee is also 20th Jan is the last date, and the ability of editing or the correction options in the online application form 22nd Jan to 24th Jan, and the downloading of admit card by the candidate 1st May 2022, and the date of test is on 15th May 2022. And coming to the application fee here, for the general category it is 1100, and OBC non-creamy layer 880 rupees, and the SC ST, the transgender PWT with 40% disability, 660 rupees. And coming to the application procedure, it is an online application form, guys. So if you visit the official website of this Jammu University, then automatically there will be one link will be there for the JKSCT or the LASCT. So you have to click on that one, and then you need to follow the instructions very carefully. So pay the examination fee using the payment gateway, using the credit or debit card or the net banking, and take the printout of the fee receipt and register yourself using the payment transaction reference number, and upload your recent passport size photograph as well as a signature. Okay. And take the printout of your application form also for your future use. So before going to the few more details and eligibility conditions, all these things, first we will see what are the different subjects are there. So these are the list of subjects. There is a general paper 1 which is common to all the candidates, and apart from this one, the chemical science, home science, Kashmiri, earth, atmospheric, ocean and planetary science, law, life science, library and information science, mathematical sciences, linguistics, physical sciences, management, Arab culture and Islamic studies, mass communication and journalism, Arabic music, Buddhist, Jaina and Gandhian and peace studies, Persian, commerce, philosophy, computer science and application, physical education, Dogri, and political science, economics, psychology, education, public administration, electronic science, Punjabi, English, Sanskrit, environmental sciences, social work, geography, sociology, Hindi, Urdu and history. Okay. So total there are 38 subjects are there, guys. And for all these 38 subjects, the general paper 1 is the common paper. And now while coming to the eligibility conditions, candidates who have secured at least 55% of marks or an equivalent grade in point scale, where the grading system is followed in the master's degree or equivalent examination from universities or the institutions recognized by the University Grants Commission. That means in all over the India, whatever the universities or the institutions are recognized by the University Grants Commissions, if you pursued your master's degree in those universities or the institutions with 55% of marks, then you are eligible to write the JKSCT or the LASCT. Got it? And the candidates who belongs to SC, ST, OBC, those candidates 50% is enough. That means there is a 5% relaxation is there. Okay. So, and the candidates who have appeared or will be appearing at the qualifying master's degree examination whose the result is still awaited or the candidates whose qualifying examinations have been delayed may also apply for this test. Okay, so these are the points, guys, okay, that you may check down. And yeah, the candidates are required to appear in the subject of their post graduation only. Okay, the candidates whose post graduation subject is not covered in the list in the table 1 may appear in the UGC NET examination or the UGC CSIR NET examination. Got it? And the reservation policies are given here, and the submission of online application, as I already told you. Fine. And here the mail ID is also there, so it is the helpline desk email ID. If you are having any queries regarding the this notification, then you may put your query to that one. And the submission of download application forms and documents, that means there is no need of submission of hard copy of the downloaded application form. Got it? So it is just you need to fill up the online application form. That's it. Okay. So anyhow, these are the details, guys. The mode of the examination is offline mode only. That means you need to go to the centers whatever they are allotted. And the 2 papers are there. Paper 1 is the general paper, 50 questions objective, and paper 2 is the 100 questions objective. It's just looking like a UGC NET examination pattern. And here the exam duration as well as the schedule and the total number of questions and marks each and everything is given here. So interested candidates may check out, guys. Okay, and the negative markings. Okay, unattempted question, no negative markings are there. No marks for the unanswered or the unattempted questions, and there shall be no negative marking for the wrong answers. Okay, so I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So please go through this one, guys, and share this video also. And whatever the requirement you are looking for, so please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the matching recruitment which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as a notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination, from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merge cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else the paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare, and English and education, and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I'm the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current course are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the, providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects, you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay. And while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So I may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want